Here's the before and this is the after. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial of how to draw your brows, or should I say eyebrow tutorial. So the first thing to do is to brush up your brows with a spoolie or this particular brush I'm making use of, and then outline it and fill it up the way I'm doing. Just go up, keep going up, and do the same to the other brow. Don't be bothered while outlining or filling your brows. Just take your time, because I advise you take your time in outlining and filling it well. So once you're done with that, you make use of a concealer for the lower part and a foundation for the upper part. I would advise you take your time while making use of your concealer and foundation. So take your time, make sure it brings out the shape, you draw it well so it gives the right shape of what it's meant to give. So what I'm doing here is just outlining it again. Should I say outlining? Yeah, outlining it again with the concealer to bring out the shape, to give it a cleaner look, and then wiping off the excess on my crease just like I'm doing, or you can just wipe it on your forehead. So as you can see the difference between the first and the second one, even if we're not yet fully done with it, just trust the process and you get it. And I'll keep saying this, just take your time while drawing your brows, while filling it, while outlining it, while making it cleaner with the concealer and the foundation. Just take your time till you can only stop when you feel it's okay with you, when you feel it's right. So once I was done with that, I just went to the middle part to clean it off, and the last process for this is to get the same brush or a spoolie, the same brush I used to brush brows before, or a spoolie, to brush forward, should I say forward and upward, just like I'm doing. And yeah, that's it. We're done with our eyebrow tutorial, and I hope you like it. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.